everyone, how are you today? Well, today we are going to plant some seeds to see how they grow. And this is an experiment you can do at home. And so we have a little poem to start with. A little seed. A little seed for me to sow, a little soil to help it grow, a little sun, a little shower, a little while, and then a flower. It's so much fun to watch plants grow. And so today we're going to plant some seeds so we can watch how they actually grow. And so we're going to start with a plastic bag, a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put some paper towel in it, because that's going to help keep it wet. Oops, I missed. Oh dear. Try that again. Inside. And you can use anything inside. You can use paper towel or maybe some cotton balls. And I'm going to do some stapling because I don't want my seeds to fall down too far. Then I am taking some bean seeds. Bean seeds grow really fast. You can try any kind of seeds you want. It'd be fun to try different kinds. And so let's take my bean seeds. I'm going to put them in my plastic bag on top of the staples so they don't fall down too far. One, oh, let's get over there. One, two, move over, move over. Get inside that bag. One, two, move over. Don't want you too close. Three. And if you want to pick up some of these kits at the library, you can. Or you can just do this at home with whatever you have. Okay. So we've got 4 seeds in there. And I'm going to pour some water in there to get it nice and wet to start with. And that paper towel will help keep it damp, and we'll be able to watch the seeds grow. So that would be an interesting experiment for you to do at home. A little seed for me to sow, a little soil to help it grow, a little sun, a little shower, a little while, and then a flower. So this you could just take home. One good idea is to hang this in your window so that your seeds get some sun. And you keep watching because you'll be able to watch the roots go down and the stem comes up. And that's an interesting idea to plant some seeds. I hope you have fun planting your seeds. Come to the library if you'd like to pick some up and have a good time with that. See you soon. Goodbye.